friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is yet another app review session, and in today's episode we are reviewing Elementor. What is Elementor? It's an AI powered WordPress sites. Let's learn all about it. First of all, you can easily design, drag and done. That's as simple as it to build a WordPress site with Elementor. Elementor is a leading drag and drop page builder for WordPress. It's trusted by millions of users to create beautiful, responsive websites without writing a single line of code. It has extensive widgets, which means you can do a full theme building. It has WooCommerce integration and third-party extensions that you can use to build professional websites. What are some of the features of Elementor? Elementor provides us with a drag and drop visual editor. It has 100 plus professional widgets and templates that we can use. It has a full theme builder, which means you can build header, footers, sections, archive pages, and much more. It also supports global styles and design system. It has strong integration with WooCommerce. It has responsive editing and mobile preview. It also has pop-up builder, form builder, custom fonts, role manager, and much more. What are some of the advantages of Elementor? Elementor is highly customizable WordPress design tool. It has a perfect balance of ease and power. It's a great value for individuals, freelancers, content creators, or even agencies. There are tons of tutorials, videos, themes, add-ons that we can readily use. These are some of the pros. Like I said, it's extremely flexible and beginner friendly. It gives you full control over design and layout. It has huge library of templates and add-ons. It has strong community and ecosystem. What are some of the cons? It can slow down performance without proper optimization. It has advanced features that requires pro version, which are not available in the basic or the free version. Some of the plugins that are available can conflict possible with other that is WordPress tools. So make sure that you check it out. So what are we rating? We are giving a good rating of 4.6 out of 5 for Elementor. Let's go ahead and check out the website. You can go to elementor.com. That's the website. And you can see build a website, create your future. You can easily create a website in no time. So you can use a WordPress website builder, or you can use a cloud hosting platform to build kind of your own scalable website. You can host it, you can generate with AI your custom blog, but again, it won't be as professional as you would use the drag and drop Visual Studio editor. Now that's the products. So you go to products and you can see the website builder. You can go there, explore that. You can use AI to create the website design, content, and images. You can also get hosting for WordPress and WooCommerce if you're looking to build your own online store. Let's talk about the pricing. When you talk about hosting for WordPress, it starts with $8.99. That's unlimited monthly visits, 10 GB storage, 10 GB bandwidth, 7 days backup, and much more. For higher agencies and businesses, consider upgrading to Host Cloud Plus and Host Cloud X3. All right. So these are the different plans that are available. You can choose any one that you want from the hosting. The best part is that it comes with 24/7 support, that you can always get it from here. So you can talk to it and discuss your details and get all the help that you need. That's my review of Elementor on Arc Tutorials. Do let me know what you think of this. Till then, happy exploring apps. And if you want to get featured here, please do write to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com. Till then, happy exploring apps. Like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Thank you so much.